Welcome to our channel. Today I would like to show you how to clean the headphone jack on a phone, Samsung Galaxy XCover 5. For this we need a special round brush with rather soft bristles so that it can be easily inserted into the jack and turned without any problem. So once we have such a brush, we still need, I would recommend using 100% pure alcohol, which is used to reduce dust if there is any buildup in the socket, and so that the brush can fully remove it. And then it evaporates and is gone. There's nothing left. No residue, no deposit, nothing at all. That's why it's 100% and it's the most important, the best, because nothing extra is left behind after using it. We thoroughly moisten the brush along its entire length. We take the phone, of course turned off, in our hand. We move it like this, and here we have the charging port. We insert it all the way in, and after inserting the brush fully, we turn it to the right 5 times. Then to the left 5 times, and we pull it out. We repeat this process about 5 times and we'll have a clean port. Again, we insert it, turn it 5 times to the right, turn it 5 times to the left, and pull it out. And again, and we keep repeating this. I said 5 times, so do it like that and you'll have a completely clean port. If you don't have such a little brush on hand and want to buy one, it's available in a set like this. Allegro, Amazon and other stores have it, so you can buy it without any problem. It's available. Alcohol is usually included in the set, so you can easily buy it. After this thorough cleaning, leave the phone for about 10 to 15 minutes so the alcohol can evaporate from the port. Only then can you turn the phone on and use it. So let it sit calmly. Those 10 minutes are very important so you don't damage your phone. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.